Employers have to invest in training, and some don't because it's too expensive. But the thinking is that if you don't train, what does that cost? This particular area is one of the fastest growing segments of education right now. And the technologies are going to get better and better as they're fine-tuned to meet the needs of those who work in the training field. The students who go through the program are prepared to design and deliver content for training and professional development in corporate, healthcare, and nonprofit settings, as well as government settings. It really cuts across the board. The program coursework introduces students to a wide range of topics, everything from instructional design, instructional methods, program management, professional development, all aspects of training online. We use a very focused, student-centered approach. When students are asked to complete their assignments, we encourage them to complete that assignment in a focus area related to their own interests. So it's a very, very practical approach. Students who complete the practicum and the degree, we often see them getting promotions or sometimes moving on into roles of greater responsibility, which is fantastic. We love to see the success of our students. Point Park University faculty are practitioners. We are well-grounded in research and theory, but we are all practitioners. We are professionals training students to be professionals on a professional career track. This MA is 30 credits, totally online. It's in a cohort model, and courses are offered in 8-week segments. So students are only taking one course at a time, which is perfect for working adults because they can manage going to school while they keep working full-time, and students love it. What this degree is going to give them is a much wider view of the technologies that are available, how to apply them, how to enhance teaching, and how to increase learning with appropriate use of technologies. One unique aspect about the MA program is that it includes coursework that's required for the Pennsylvania Department of Education Certificate in Instructional Technology Specialist. My advice for anyone who enjoys working with technology, enjoys training, is creative and likes new things, I would say go for it.